Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be taking a deep dive into Smartsupp, that is one of the most user-friendly live chat tools available in 2025. So if you are a small business owner, e-commerce seller, or agency who want to talk to your website visitors in real time, Smartsupp makes it super easy. With the features like chat widgets, chatbots, visitor tracking, and a mobile application, it is built to help you connect, convert, and support your customers faster. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can set up your Smartsupp on your website, how you can customize the chat widgets, how you can automate your replies, and we will also be taking a look at the dashboard and mobile application. Now, if you want to try out Smartsupp for yourself, you can use the links that are given in the description. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we will start by creating our account at smartsupp.com. For that, you can either click on the link that is given in the description, or you can just open your web browser and search for smartsupp.com. Once you are on this page, simply hover over to the top right hand corner of the screen and click on the sign up, it's free option. If you want to know more about their platform, you can also book a demo with them, and they are going to basically assign an assistant to you who is going to help you to understand more about this platform. So after clicking on this sign up option, you will have to provide your email address and you need to just create a strong password for your account. You can also create your account with the help of your Google account. So you just have to simply do that and you will see this type of welcome page in front of you. Over here, you can choose whether you want to use it for assisting the customers via the live chat, or you want to use it to automate the supports and the sales with AI. So since you want to know more about the live chat option, you will have to select it and press continue. Now it will redirect you on this page where you just have to provide your name here, and that's press continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This section will be your welcome message. So it has given you a by default welcome message here, but you can also seek help from ChatGPT in this regard, and you can provide a custom welcome message according to the domain in which you are working. So for this video, I'm gonna keep it as it is and I'm gonna press continue over here. Now it will ask you to install the chat on your website. For that, you will have to simply copy this code from here. Then you need to go to your website and you need to paste this code there. You can also integrate your WordPress website here by clicking on this option. You will have to go to the plugins section and you need to add a new plugin with the name Smartsupp. Then once you activate that button in your WordPress account, Smartsupp will appear in the left hand menu. So you need to click on that and you need to log in with the help of your ClickUp account, and this way you will be able to basically integrate it with the help of WordPress. So once you are done with it, simply press the continue option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now it will ask you to try Mira AI, which is also kind of affiliated with Smartsupp. So since we want to do it later, so you simply click on the try later option and there you go. This is your Smart Hub or your dashboard at Smartsupp. So over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply hover over to the left hand section and go to settings. In your settings, you will see a bunch of different information here. So you need to just scroll down and try to find the option of the channels. So in your channels, you need to make sure that your website is available here. If it is not installed in your website, simply click on the install option in the top right hand corner and follow further on screen instructions in order to basically install it in your device. So here, once you are on the home page, you will see a bunch of different integration methods and customization options. You can also just take a look at the Smartsupp Academy, where you will see a bunch of different tutorials that you can basically click on and come to know a lot of things that Smartsupp provide you. Now the second option that we have here is the conversations. So as the name suggests, in the conversations you are going to get all of the conversations that you received from your customers. If they are asking about any of the queries, you are going to get it over here. All of the new queries will be here in the new section, and any of the queries that is already resolved will come in this resolved section, where you can see the agents, the automations, and Mira AI. And if you want to try Mira AI for yourself, this is the additional feature that they are providing, but for that you need to create a separate account. So over here, once you are on this page again, if you just click on the plus icon, this is the channels where you can basically integrate your social media accounts. Currently the chat page is connected, but you can also connect your Facebook Messenger, ebook, WhatsApp, your Google Analytics, and much more over here. So I would recommend you to connect your website first, and can also connect your Google Analytics if you are using it for your WordPress website. Now here, this is the account settings. Then we have the agents option where you will see your information about your account. If you want to invite any of the other persons who could manage your dashboard, you can click on the invite option in the top right hand corner and provide their email, and you can basically send your agent an email. If they accept it, they will appear in this section, and you can basically assign them the work and they can help you. If you come on the groups section, you can basically create your groups over here, and this is the group for the agents of the departments in your company like sales or tech. You can create the root conversations for every web page to a different group of agents. So in order to create your first group, simply either click on the add group option in the top right hand corner of the screen, or click on the option of create first group. Regardless of whichever option you choose, you will see this type of group name option where you need to provide your group a name. If you want to add any photograph over here, you can do so. Then click on the create option, and on this page you will see your group, and that will look something like this. Now if you want to connect it with the experts, you can also do that, and if you are not interested in it or you want to do it later, you can just click on the later option. Now if we click on the chat box option, this will be the customization option of your chat box. So according to the theme that you are using on your website, you can just change the layout of the chat box here as well. For example, if the layout of your website is green, you can just select the green color. Similarly, if it is orange, you can select the orange color. If you want to make this chatbot in the right hand section, you can select right, but if you want to do it in the left hand section, you can select the left option. You can just scroll down, and here you will see the outline option and the offline option and the online option. So if you select the online option, you can select this type of bubble interface or this type of button interface, and if you select the offline option, you will also see the themes option just like so. Here if you are online, you can provide the title like how can we help, and this will appear something like this in the top. Next we have the status, we reply immediately, or the text area, and as you can see over here, it is looking like this. Type this message here. So after selecting it, you can just provide the bubble text here, like we have chat written here. But if you want to write it something else, you can definitely do it and click on the save option. Basically, with the help of this option, you can customize the appearance of your chatbot. Next we have the options of functionality. So here if you click on the options, you will be able to basically see these types of options that are agent and mirror. So I would recommend you to turn these toggle buttons on, because these are going to enhance the response of your chat box. Next we have the badge only option and the pop-up messages. So you can select these types of options here. If you click on the advanced settings, you can also just take a look at the advanced settings, and based on your customization skills, you can either turn this toggle button on and off. So this is how you can basically start using Smartsupp. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.